tried to make video content but got worried about safety? Leave the worry because YouTube is bringing AI avatars. Hey GadInsiders, welcome back to the channel. YouTube announced that creators can add avatars for their shorts, letting you insert yourself into video content. YouTube is trying to fight AI slopification as more and more AI features are added to its platform and giving creators more control of their digital identities. Any video generated using an avatar will show labels like SynthID and C2PA. You can create an avatar either in the YouTube or YouTube Create app. Just head to AI Playground in the Create app, take a live selfie that also records your voice, then preview your avatar, either proceed with it or redo the process if you're unhappy with anything. YouTube recommends that you hold your phone at eye level and keep yourself centered as much as possible. Lighting's also important, so make sure your whole face is visible. You're in a quiet area and there's nobody else in the background. Owning the account and being over 18 are other requirements. Once you finalize an avatar, you simply type in a prompt and wait for the AI to generate a video. You can also add an avatar to existing eligible shorts by tapping Remix and then Reimagine with your avatar selected. Avatars can be deleted or retaken whenever you like, as can any video with your avatar in it. You can also limit who's able to remix your videos, but deleting a video with your avatar in it won't also delete the original video or that avatar from your account. But keep your avatar alive as YouTube will be deleting them on 3 years of inactivity. The update's rolling out gradually, and it's the latest AI tool YouTube has added to the platform, including automatic upscaling for low-res videos, automatic editing for creators, and an AI-generated carousel for search results. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.